Class 10, good morning. We will see our part 3 video, resource and development. Here we will see step for resources planning. How steps are involved and which steps are involved for resource planning. So first is identification of resources. First, it's important to identify the resources. Then we will use it. Secondly, involving a planning structure. A planning structure is always important to use the resources. First, they will plan how much resources should be distributed among the society. Third is matching the plan with overall national development plan. That means in some states there are so much resources, in some states there are no resources. So they have to match the plan with overall national development plan. Only one state can't use the whole resources alone. So they have to distribute in the full nation and they have to match the plan with national development plan. So these are the steps for national resource planning. Next is land resource. So we will see land distribution first. It is a land distribution. So land resources, 30% there is a mountains, 43% plains, 27% plateaus. In this way the land distribution is there in India. So only 43% are plains, and only in plains we can make a house, only in plains we can use as a agricultural land. So these 43% land we are having for agriculture and other use, because we can't go to mountains for agriculture and for living, we can't stay in plateaus also. So 43% is a very less amount on which we are having a land. Then land utilization, how the land is utilized in India. First, the land is utilized in forest. Second, land not available for cultivation, some land which is not available for cultivation because of the animal grazing. Some ground are used for animal grazing, there we can't do any cultivation. The net sown area, the net sown area means the total area under the crop in the country. That means how much agriculture is going on in the area, that is the net sown area. Now total area under the crop in the country, so that is also not equal. In Punjab there is 80% net sown area, but in Arunachal Pradesh it's less than 10%. So net sown area all over the India is not equal. So today what we have seen, steps for resource planning. In that, identification of resources, evolving the planning structure, matching the plan with overall national development plan. Then resource, land resource, we have seen how land distribution is in India. Then land utilization, how the land is utilized. Okay, so I hope you understand. Please write down all these notes in the copy.